Good morning, children. Today I will teach you a new chapter which is very important, that is the First World War. So, first of all, when we read regarding any of the war, we should know what were the causes. So, here you can see four causes are there. Nationalism and imperialism means nationalism, love of any nation. Yes, it is a very good thing to love a nation, but simultaneously, if your love is beyond the limit, that becomes possessiveness, and slowly, it becomes aggressiveness. Just as you love yourself, very good, but in love yourself, if you do harm to someone else, that will be known as aggressiveness. Your nation is good, okay, but you cannot say that other one's nation is not at all good. Clear? So that type of aggressiveness should not be there. Imperialism means nations, those who think themselves superior power and started colonizing others. Race of armament means arms. So if one nation starts occupying, purchasing some weapons, so obviously the other nations also will do for their safety. So that was the time when so many nations started purchasing new technical weapons, so the other nations also did so. Now the third one is division of Europe into two hostile groups. What were these groups? I will discuss. And the last one is the immediate cause because of which this First World War started is known as Sarajevo crisis. Now two hostile groups, Triple Entity and Triple Alliance, along with the Balkans. Balkan was an area which was very powerful and all the nations wanted to join with it, whereas Balkan never wanted to join with any of the nations. So in the green color you can see Triple Alliance. Italy signed a treaty in 1882 with Austria-Hungary and Germany. So three nations are there. Germany and Austria-Hungary also signed a treaty in 79. Germany and Ottoman Empire signed treaty in 1914, and they also favored by Bulgaria. Whereas France and Russia, they made alliance in 1884 and signed a treaty in 1907 with Russia and Britain, 1904 with France and Britain. So some confusion is there. So in an easy manner, Triple Alliance formed in 1882, also known as the Bad Guys, and the new name was given to them, Central Powers, followed by Germany, Austria-Hungary, Italy. Later on, Italy left it. Triple Entity formed in 1907, known as also Good Guys, new name Allies. Nations were France, Britain, Russia, and USA, which joined later, not in starting. So here you can see here good guys versus the bad guys. Central part versus allies. Now what was the immediate cause? Sarajevo crisis. Crisis means very critical situation. Sarajevo is a name of a place. So here two parties must be there. First Austria, second Serbia. So what happened here? Austria Prince Archduke Francis Ferdinand went to Sarajevo. Sarajevo is a place in a city Bosnia, and Bosnia was in Serbia. So when this Ferdinand went to Sarajevo for a political visit with his wife, he was murdered on 28th June 1914 by 19-year-old boy Gavrilo Princip, who belonged to the secret group known as Black Hand. Germany instigated Austria here as well as Russia instigated Serbia. So both were very powerful nations, so they got help for this crisis. Austria blamed Serbia, which was accepted by Serbia because this accident happened there only. Austria's demand was that Austria will send the officers for investigation, which was denied by Serbia. So many ultimatums were given, and at last, 28th of July 1914, Germany and Austria attacked Serbia. Slowly, so many other nations also joined it. That is why it was known as the First World War. Now here is trench warfare system. What was that? You can see earth here. It was dug, a hollow was there in this way. This was known as trench. This is a picture in which way the trenches were made in zigzag manner. Trench warfare is a type of land warfare using occupied fighting lines, largely comprising military trenches in which troops are well protected from the enemy's small arms fire and are substantially sheltered from artillery. Means they were safe from different type of weapons if they remain in trench. It was finished after that only, no one used it later on. It was a series of 2, 3, 4 more trenches. They were parallel to each other and at least 1 mile in depth, means very deep. They were dug in a zigzag manner so that no enemy could fire for more than a few yards down its length. Now, two main events of this First World War were: first was exit of USA, means left, entry of USA, Russia and USA. Russia left, USA joined in the same year, which changed the whole scenario of the First World War. Exit of Russia. Why? Because of First World War, so many types of people, they were indulged in war, especially the manpower. Politically, they were unstable. There was huge decline in Russian economy. Agitation and anger against the royal family seemed to grow unchecked, means at its high peak. Then the streets of Petrograd, a city name, had a full crowd of people demanding peace and bread. At that time, Tsar was ruling. He was dethroned and Soviets took over the charge. It was done by Lenin and his fellow Bolshevik. They negotiated peace with Germany and left the war era. Then now you can see here the timeline. 1900, then 1904, 5, 14 Russia entered, 17 this happened, then Lenin, then Bolshevik left the war, and in this way. This is also the timeline in points. Now comes the USA entry into World War I. It was decided by a treaty that friendship with Americans on board, U-boats fire upon success, and then with American pressure, Germany issued success pledge. Promise was made that it will not sink any passenger ship as well as not to sink any merchant ship also without any warning. But Germany did not keep his promise and it sank one American merchant ship without any warning. The name of the ship was Lusitania, which was carrying 128 American passengers. So that was simply the violation of the success pledge, which was not agreed by USA. Then it was said not to use U-boats, whereas Germany used it. An agreement was sent by Germany to Mexico to attack on US if US got involved in the war, which was intercepted by USA, and in retaliation, USA joined the war against Germany. Now, after a long time, in 1918, the leaders of the good guys, they started thinking how to stop war. So they designed a treaty in place of Versailles. So the name of the treaty came to be known as Treaty of Versailles. So because the German people, they were considered as the main culprit, so maximum losses were borne by the Germany only. What were the terms of the treaty? The treaty declared Germany and her allies, means her subordinate parties, guilty of aggression and forced them to give away the parts which were earlier not occupied by them, just as territories to Poland, Belgium, Denmark, Czechoslovakia, which was captured by it. Rhine Valley was declared a demilitarized zone, means no military will be there. Germany army has to be reduced by 1 lakh and they were not allowed to use air force as well as submarines. Germany had to give up her colonies. Union of Austria and Germany was totally forbidden because Germany only instigated Russia to start a war. Alsace and Lorraine were returned to France and the Saar Valley was ceded to France for 15 years. As well as not only this, Germany had to pay $33 billion to the victorious party, means allies. Thus, the Treaty of Versailles was very humiliating for Germany. Now, what was the criticism of this treaty? Military, politically, and economically, Germany was totally crippled. It failed to bring peace and security. Allied nations, treated harshly, had to pay huge war indemnities. Many portions were taken away from them. For this reason only, Hitler came to power in Germany. He expanded his military strength. He divided Europe into two rival groups and refused to accept the treaty and ultimately led to the Second World War. Now, what were the effects of the First World War? Peace efforts with Wilson, 14 points. Treaty of Versailles was signed, but it was very harsh to Germany. One peacekeeping organization had to be started. USA decided not to be the part. Membership, no matter how it was written, means it said, I will not be a part. Reservations would accept leave if certain reservations were written, means if they are given any priority, then only they will be the part of leave. Wilson refused to compromise, that is why Senate rejected the treaty. Post-war problems also were there. Farm prices fell. So much people became unemployed. Red Scare and farmer raids, race riots and labor strikes because no work was there. Now, what was the impact of the First World War? First thing, Germany had to pay a very huge war indemnity, which I told you, $33 billion. To restart the economy required much effort, time and money, or you can say in other words, England lost its economic superiority and its claim to world power. The map of Europe was redrawn. Major empires such as Austria-Hungarian, Ottoman and Russia broke up into smaller nation states. America emerged as the most foremost political role in the world and played an important role in establishing a very good peacekeeping organization known as League of Nations. What were the objectives of League of Nations? No secret alliances, no treaties. Member states had to reduce their armies and destructive weapons. States were to respect one another's independence. All disputes were to be brought to the League, and it also had cultural and social commitments. Now, the impact of World War on Russia. Russia enters war in 1914 very unprepared. Weak generals, poorly equipped, lost so much of people. Nicholas too is in on the front. Wife Alexandra is running things with Rasputin, soldiers mutiny and desert. So here, my dear children, your chapter is completed.